Anchors Away 90-second RV park reviews. Here's your host, Brent.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're at Big Bend National Park and we're going to do a review on some of the campgrounds down there. Now there's three. There's Chisholm Basin, Cottonwood Campground and Rio Grande Campground. Now we can only go to Cottonwood and Rio Grande because the road up into Chisholm Basin, you're restricted on the length of your vehicle. I think it's about 26 feet, so we can't go up there. We'll probably go up there for a day trip, but we won't be doing the campground review. So right now we're in Cottonwood. Now Cottonwood's got gravel sites. They're relatively flat. They've got some vault toilets for your nuggets. Otherwise there's nothing else here. It is a quiet site, so there's no generators. So we've just come in for the one night so that we can go off to Rio Grande where they can have generators. And we wanted to do the walk up the canyon. So that's it. They've got spots for you to put your food and things to lock it away if you're in a tent. They've got picnic tables and barbecue grills. So here we go. Cottonwood, nice place. A wonderful visitor to our campground. And one last thing just before we head away, there is potable water available. It's down by the entry to the campground, so I guess if you come down with a tent you need to have potable water. They also have a lot of recycling bins available as well for your cans, aluminium, cardboard, paper, and of course the trash cans.
Thanks for watching Anchors Away RV park reviews. See you next time.
Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.